Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone. So in today's video we are talking about Times Higher Education. This is basically an organization of UK that gives ranking of various institutions, right, of various universities. So they are providing ranking here. In simple terms, understand this. So it is of UK and they provide ranking, and this time it was the 14th edition of Asia University ranking that was released by them. That is ranking of all the universities, institutes that are in Asia. They were assessed. Then let's talk about the universities. First that secured the top position is Tsinghua University, that is in China. Second was Peking University of China. Third, National University of Singapore. Fourth position was secured by two organizations, that is Nanyang Technology University and University of Tokyo. One is in Singapore and another is Japan. Now you will be saying, sir, where is the ranking of Indian institutions? So let's see. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are the ranking of Indian institutions, but globally they first stands at 43rd position, that is of IISc Bengaluru. It is in Karnataka. Then 128th position is of Savitha Institute of Medical Science and Medical and Technical Sciences, that is in Tamil Nadu. Then 141st position is of IIT Indore, that is in Madhya Pradesh. 158 stands at Shulini University of Biotechnology and Management Science in Himachal Pradesh, and at 160th position is Jamia Millia Islamia in New Delhi. So these are the ranking of Indian institutions, right? And these are the rankings of Asian institutions in Asia, right? So important, you need to understand, this is the 14th edition of Asia University ranking released by Times Higher Education, that is of UK, that provides ranking of various institutions, correct? Now students, based on these rankings only, let's discuss some another important rankings in the form of MCQ. First, what is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index? What is the rank of India here in the Henley Passport Index? So India stands at 75th position. Then according to Asia Manufacturing Index, what is the rank of India? India is at the 6th position. Next, which Indian institute ranked highest in the Quackrelli Simon World University ranking for 2026? So it is IIT Delhi. Then what is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index? So India stands at 23rd position in the Climate Change Performance Index. Then fifth question, in Responsible Nations Index, which of the following is India's reported rank? So in Responsible Nation Index, India stands at 132nd position. According to IMF International Monetary Fund, India is currently the world's largest economy. So we were on the 4th largest economy, but now we stand at the 6th position. Reason being, our currency has slipped by almost 10%. Seventh, what is India's projected GDP per capita according to the recent economies? So projected is $2,810 per person, right? Take a note of this, and ranking it 150th globally. Eighth question, which Indian state topped the large states category in Niti Aayog's 4th Export Preparedness Index? So it is Maharashtra that secured the top position in the large state in the Preparedness Index, and that is the 4th edition of this Export Preparedness Index released by Niti Aayog. Ninth question, in Henley Passport Index, how many destinations can Indian passport holders visit without a prior visa? So we can visit 56 nations. 10th question, Performance Grading Index 2.0 was released by the Ministry of Education. Question is, which city or union territory secured the top position? It is Chandigarh that secured the first position here. So that's all for the day, students. Thank you and have a nice day.